Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing. So Taperlogy sent me some fun little items. So let's take a look at them. I have some glitter on here, so I'm going to get that off of here. And I love on the Taperlogy, they always have this "I'm finally home," which I think is cute. All right, let's see what they sent. Now I have a coupon code that I'll list down below for 15% off, which is a really good deal. Oh, look at these, you all. We have some Christmas rub-ons. Look at these, guys. Oh, look at that Santa fireplace. So if you have not used their rub-ons before, they are really cool. You can roll them onto fabric, paper, pretty much anything and everything. The Nutcracker, Snowman, oh, another Santa, and I love this sweater. These would be so cute, like if you like to make your own Christmas cards. Look at that sweet angel. Wow, these are cool. Oh, and look, some like a winter woodland. How pretty. Look at that owl. Such cute images. And the images are really nice quality. Oh, and look at these blues. So pretty. Frosty. Love that bluebird. Oh, and fun little sentiments that you can put on your card. And I love all the wreath and garland. And then we're back to the beginning. So it comes with 6 sheets. So yeah, you'll get 15% off. And then let's see what else they sent to go along with these. It's like some tags here. Oh, wow. These are really cool tags. I'll make sure to list all the items down below. They're an embossed red. That's really cool. Look at these. Wow. So you could do the rub-ons on these tags. So I'll try that here in a minute once we look at everything. Oh my gosh, these tags. All right, I'm going to have to buy some more of these. Oh, and they're embossed too. They have the debossing on them. Each one is a little bit different. Wow, these are cool. I don't know if you can, let me find one that has a little more on it. If you can kind of see the shimmer or shine. These are adorable. I love these. Wow. These are so cool. Guys, you have to get you some of these. And there's a lot in here. Wow. There might be like 50 tags in here. And the pattern repeats on the bigger tag. Just at a bigger scale. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. I love these. I am going to go order some more of these. Wow. So I'm going to do a rub-on on those. Test that out. And then let's see what's in this one. I like these little bags. They're very sturdy. Oh, and here's the fabric. So I've bought rub-ons before. I've done videos making some stuff with them. So you have to check them out. Like I did a snippet roll and I used some of the rub-ons. But they, you can buy the rub-ons and you can also add on this kind of like a linen. And so you can do the rub-on right on here. I'll show you that too. And so they do have a 10% off coupon, but if you use my code, you get 15% off. And then here's another little linen piece. Oh, they sent some more rub-ons. Oh, I have the another flower version, but this is the jumbo size. Oh, cool. Let's check this out. It's so nice of them to send this to me. I really appreciate it. I buy pretty on the reg from them. I really think their stuff is good quality. Look at these, and they're a nice matte sheen. So again, you just cut around them and then rub it on. Oh, and they got a couple butterflies. I love the bigger size scale because the other rub-ons, they are a little bit smaller. So these would be cool to use on a little bit bigger tags. So pretty. And again, the quality of the image is very clear. Very nice. Some more little butterflies. Wow. Some nice greenery. Wow. I love these different versions of a hydrangea. So in this kit, it looks like you get, ooh, 8 sheets. Nice. And you get the little popsicle stick for rubbing on. And then they sent one more thing. Look at this cute little packaging. Light slate gray. Oh, I think these are embossed papers. Let's take a look at these. This is the cutest little packaging here. Look at that. This is a vellum, and they've added these brads to make it into a little pocket. What a great idea. Okay, I'm going to have to borrow that. And then they did this fun little die cut of the houses and the tree. And then the little sage. And then this unwraps. There we go. How cool. And I love the snowflake with the bread. Great idea. And I've bought their trims like this. Those are really nice too. I use those on a lot of my tags. And then this just lifts up. How sweet is that? And it looks like they did like a little vellum circle reinforcement there. And then this is just tied around the brad. Sorry, I'm spending so much time on the packaging, but I think that is darling. I love that. Okay, let's look at these embossed papers. So it looks like there's 3 different sizes here. So this first size, this is a little bigger than 4 inches and a little less than 6. And trying to figure out the best way to show this to you all. Hopefully you can see that. It has, so it's embossed. It has a Santa and the reindeer that says Merry Christmas. And it has all these little dots, almost like snow, and some presents. And then down here, it has houses and tree and like little snow-covered ground. Let's see if y'all can see that at all. I think so. And then the next one, this is butterflies. Beautiful. And the paper's actually ribbed, which really gives it a neat effect. These are really cool. Oh, and this is a sweater pattern. Love that. And this one is kind of another sweater pattern, but it has reindeer as well as kind of the sweater. Hopefully y'all can see those. And this one's another butterfly one. here's a flower one. Very cool. And then, oh, look at this one. This is a vellum one. The ornaments and the Merry Christmas. Very cool. I love the feel of it too. Very cool. And this one, I would say, are snowflakes. How cute. And this is a bunch of script writing. That's neat. I'd like to find an embossing folder like that. And here we have stars. It almost looks like twinkle lights or fairy lights. And I like this kind of blank here, so you could write a little sentiment right there if you want to make that a card. And then here's another kind of sweater almost pattern, but it has houses and then flowers. This is a nicer, oh, the size of these, the vellums were about 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, and then this larger size is almost 4 3/4 by just over 6 1/2. And then you had one more, another pretty, this would be a pretty little journal topper. This is right, so you could put a scent, do a rub on right here. I think that would be nice. Some sort of sentiment. And these almost look like holly berry leaves. Wow, that's really neat. I like these papers. I hadn't noticed these before. And like I said, I'll link these down below. And these are white. These are vellum, and then these are a cream color. You can see the color difference there. I like the variety. And there's, let's see, 1, 2, 12 pieces. So, very cool. All right, well, let me just show you some of the rub-ons. They're pretty straightforward to use, and I'm going to try one on a tag here. Get my popsicle stick here. And let's find a fun tag. And I'll do the fabric one also. I'll show you the fabric. Let's see, that wreath. Let's try maybe this wreath right here. So what I do is I'll cut out the image that I'm going to rub on. If you've never tried these rub-ons, they're pretty straightforward to use. And then I might lay this down. I don't know if this will help. And then I'm going to put the wreath. Yeah, that should fit right there. So you peel the back off. And the back is white, so this is a little transparent. And I'll try it like this. I'm going to hold it up here so I can center it a little bit better. That looks pretty good. So you put it down and then you just start rubbing. And the rubbing is what will release it from the top sheet. And how much you have to rub depends on how much pressure. So I just do it for a little bit and then I'll test it. If you see any areas where you don't think it's fully let go, then you just kind of put it back down. Look at that. Wow. That's, these tags are everything. And look at that beautiful rub-on image. That's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to have a lot of fun with these tags for sure. My patrons will be getting some of these in November. So if you want to sign up, sign up. And then I want to try one of these big guys on the fabric and show you how that works. And I think I'll just try this one right here. So it's right on the edge. So you can put them on, and then what I like to do is I'll snip and then tear so it has these rough edges all the way around it. So again, you peel the back off. So you can put these on book pages. That's another fun thing to do. They look great on a book page. And then just push that down. And then again, sometimes it takes a little bit longer, I feel, to transfer it onto fabric. But we'll see. Let me know if you've purchased these before. I'm so impressed with the quality of the things I get from Taperlogy. I have another order coming from them, so I'll make sure to do a haul of that one as well. Let's see. A little bit more. Yeah, see it? I guess it sticks to the paper a little bit better. So the top will release better. It's coming. Look at that. It almost reminds me of sublimation, if you're familiar with that, but this still sits on top. But look how darling that is. That's just so cute. And what I do is I just cut and rip. And then cut and rip. And there you have the darling, and you could put this, you know, you could attach this to a card if you want to. You could sew it on. So many different things. Or you can just leave this as a tag, put an eyelet in there. So many different options. So definitely check out these large flower, jumbo size flowers, and definitely check out these Christmas ones. I have a feeling that these are going to sell out. And I'll list these things down below, and also my discount code for Taperlogy. All right, you all, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.